Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get code from Figma. Figma is a powerful tool for design, and it also offers excellent features for developers. You can easily extract code, snippets directly from your designs, which helps bridge the gap between design and development. This process ensures that developers have the precise information they need to build user interfaces accurately and quickly, saving valuable time and effort in every project. Figma's Inspect panel is your primary tool for extracting code. Simply select any design element, like a button or text box, and then click on the Inspect tab. Here, you will find automatically generated code in formats such as CSS, iOS, and Android. This feature provides developers with exact measurements, colors, and typography, making it straightforward to translate visual designs into functional code with just a few clicks. For more advanced or specific code requirements, Figma's plugin ecosystem is incredibly valuable. You can find plugins that generate code for popular frameworks like React, Vue, or even Flutter. These tools often provide more comprehensive code structures and can automate complex tasks, transforming your designs into production-ready code with greater efficiency. Simply search the Figma community for a plugin that fits your project's needs and install it. To ensure a smooth design-to-code handoff, best practices are essential. Maintain a well-organized Figma file with consistent naming for layers and components. Utilize Figma's styles and components to create a cohesive design system, which makes code generation more predictable. Clear communication with developers about design intent and any specific interactions is also crucial. Regularly reviewing the generated code helps ensure accuracy and efficiency in the final product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.